I was very active with my family. We were always on the go, a lot of hiking. I spent most of my life outdoors. We were very good at our eating and just trying to stay fit. My son plays a bunch of sports, and things have changed since then. Immediately after I got the shot, I had a reaction. My body got flush, hot and cold. All my limbs got tingly. My head went numb, and I thought I was going to pass out. I kept having this weight on my chest where when I laid down, I couldn't breathe. I said, well, something's wrong. I'm not imagining this. If it was stress or anxiety, it would have went away. It wouldn't be constant. And mind you, I'm waking up in the middle of the night and I could, with my heart pounding several times a night, and I'm thinking I'm having a heart attack and I can't figure out why. Right from my sleep, it's waking me up. Now I'll look at something and I can't read a sign 20 feet away, which I never had before. I don't wear glasses, nothing. Even the tinnitus that I had very good hearing before this. I never had an issue before. Tinnitus comes on, and I went to the audiologist, and he said I have a mild hearing loss in both ears. Not enough for hearing aids. He said it's just below normal. I said, well, is that enough to give me screaming tinnitus in my ears? He said, I don't know, basically. But he listened to me when I talked about the possibly being the vaccine, and he was more or less, well, yes and no. He didn't want to agree to it, but he didn't want to dismiss it. I tell my wife every day I feel like I'm living someone else's life. I'm struggling through my work days at work because I work in an area where I have to do a lot of walking and a lot of carrying things, and physically I can't do it. I'm getting out of breath after I walk 20 feet to where I used to go hiking all the time. I was very physically. I have to wear these earmuffs when I drive in my car or when I cook because my ears are so sensitive to the sound around me that it's actually like nails on a chalkboard. I have to wear earplugs when I take a shower because the sound of the water is like sizzling in my ears. I'll get out of breath and my chest will hurt the entire day, and I feel like I can't catch my breath. It's completely different. It's turned my life so upside down. It's like I haven't been left with no way to cope. It's not all these symptoms. I can see one thing maybe happening to you out of nowhere, but not all these symptoms. Like I said, when I talk to people, they're shocked, but they're going on with their lives. We need to slow down what's going on and really take a look at how this is all being rolled out, because there's people that are being hurt and we're being brushed aside like we're not existing because they just want to keep giving shots. They just want to get as many people vaccinated as possible. And that's fine and dandy, but people should be able to have a choice. They need to have all the data and all what is going on to make an informed decision. I didn't have all the data when I made my decision. Maybe it would have been different if I would have had all the data beforehand. But yeah, you can't just brush everybody aside. We're here. We're hurting. People need treatment, or they need people to be taken seriously. And that we're all here. We just want to get better. We're not trying to slow anything down or trying to stop people from being vaccinated. That's your own choice. We made our choice and we're all we're sick from it. We just want help.